Hello students, welcome to 8th standard. Now we are going to the topic My Reminiscence book back exercise. Okay, page number 103, old book page number 95. Okay, conjunction. Okay, what is conjunction? Connector is a word or a phrase that joins two sentences or group of words together. They are also known as conjunction. What is my conjunction? Two or more words or two or more sentences is called conjunction. Okay. Example: Hari and Ram are brothers. Okay, Hari and Ram. Okay, Hari and Ram are brother. In this sentence, Hari and. This and is a conjunction. Okay. Coordinating conjunction links two or more words, class, phrase or sentence are equal importance. Some common coordinating conjunction are and, but, or, therefore, as well as, to, else, otherwise, still, yet, while, however, so, consequently, for, etc. These are the conjunction. Okay. See example: she ran fast and won the race. This and is a conjunction. Next, Sachin and Chinnu are very good friends. In this sentence, Sachin and. The and is a conjunction. Okay. Next, subordinating conjunction are the words that links a dependent class to an independent class. Some conjunction subordinating conjunction are subordinating conjunction. What is mean subordinating conjunction? Subordinating conjunction is a word used to connect two class together. Words such as although, because, or when. Okay. See, after, as, until, unless, when, whenever, as soon as if, as though, because, before, even if, even though, if, since, though, so that, though, till, where, wherever, whether, while, why, etc. These are the subordinating conjunctions. Example. Okay. The example: see, the bus had left before he came. The bus had left before. This is a subordinating conjunction. Okay. Next, a correlative conjunction is a type of conjunction that functions in a pair. What is meant by correlation conjunction? Correlating conjunction are single words like but or and. Correlative conjunction consists of two words. Okay. For example, neither nor, either or. Okay. See, some common correlative conjunction are either or, both and, neither nor, not only, but also, such as, such that, so as, such as so, no sooner, sooner than, rather than, whether or are. Okay. See, what is the conjunction? Conjunction means two or more words or two or more sentence is called conjunction. Okay. See, what are the types of conjunction? Coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. Okay. What is by coordinating conjunction? Joined two verb, two noun or two adjectives together. Okay. Next, subordinating conjunction is a word used to connect two class together. Words such as although, because, or, when. Okay. Next, correlative conjunction means single words like but, or, and correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction consists in the two words. Okay. Example: both and, neither nor. Okay. See, coordinating conjunction. These conjunction join words, phrase or class of equal rank. Example: she ran fast and won the game. See, this and is a conjunction. Okay. See, and is a conjunction. Next, God made the country and man made the town. This and is a conjunction. Okay. Next, get ready soon or you will miss the bus. This or is a conjunction. I request him but he did not do the work. Okay. This or is a conjunction. Next, I request him but he did not do the work. See, but is a conjunction. Next, behave well else you will suffer. This you is a conjunction. Okay. Next, subordinating conjunction. The conjunction, these conjunctions join two class one of which is subordinate to the other. Time, place, conjunction, comparison. Okay, next time. Ravi reached the exam hall before the school bell had rang. Okay, see, in this sentence, before is a conjunction, and the time mentioned only. Okay, next place, where, wherever, whence, whether. See, you will find your books where you had placed them. You can see the beauty wherever you go on OT. Okay, wherever. This is a conjunction. Next, where. This is a conjunction. Okay. Next, of conjunction. Concession. Though, although, even though. The alarm woke me up even though it wasn't very loudly. In this sentence, even though is a conjunction. Next, comparison. As than. He is not as clever as you. This as is a conjunction. Okay. Rekha is better than her father. Rekha is better. Better is a conjunction. Okay. Next, see correlative conjunction. These pairs of conjunction require equal structure after each one. Okay. Shruti wants either the chocolate or the cake. Correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction means two words joined. Okay. See, Shruti wants either the chocolates or the cake. See, these are the conjunction. She said that she would like to have both the chocolates and the cake. Both and the cake. These are the conjunction. Okay. Next, see, Abhirami is both cute and lovely. Abhirami is both is and is a conjunction. Okay. Next, see, filling the blanks the following sentence with a suitable conjunction from the box. Okay. I returned home as the bus had start. But after the bus. Next, I respect him as he is very strict. Although. Next, Sudarshan will succeed as he works hard because Aravind dash Arun are classmates from their childhood. See, and Aravind and Arun. You can't have your fruits as you take your food. See, fifth one, unless. Okay. Next, choose the correct conjunction from the options given the bracket. Everyone likes him as he is very helpful because as it is cloudy we decide to take an umbrella. So, next, third one, Ravi found her watch where she had left it. Next, I don't know as I can afford to buy a new dress or not. Whether as he was ill, he went to the doctor. As he was ill, he went to the doctor. Okay, these are the conjunctions. Okay, see, what is my conjunction? Two or more words or two or more sentences is called conjunction. Example, Hari and Ram are brothers. Brother. Okay, and is a conjunction. Okay, next, see. What are the types of conjunction? Coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. What is my coordinating conjunction? Joined two verb, two noun or two adjectives together. Okay. There are purple and blue flowers in the garden. In this sentence, there are purple and. Okay. See, blue flowers in the garden. Okay. Next, subordinating conjunction means is a word used to connect two class together words such as although, because or when. Okay. Next, correlative conjunction is a single word like but correlative conjunction consists in two words, neither or, either or. Okay. Do you understand, students? Okay. Study well. Thank you.